Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play League of Legends on mobile. First, download the official game from your device's app store. It's crucial to check your phone or tablet meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. Once installed, simply create a new Riot Games account or log in with an existing one. This quick setup gets you ready to dive into the action and join millions of players worldwide. Understanding the core mechanics is key. You'll control your champion's movement with a virtual joystick on the left side of your screen. On the right, you'll find buttons to activate your champion's unique abilities and basic attacks. Remember, the main objective is to push through enemy defenses, destroy their turrets, and ultimately demolish their nexus. This strategic goal requires careful planning and execution. Team composition and strategy are paramount in League of Legends. You'll choose from 5 distinct roles: top, jungle, mid, bot lane, or support. Each role has specific responsibilities and contributes uniquely to the team's overall success. Coordinating with your 4 teammates, communicating objectives, and executing well-timed teamfights are essential. Working together is how you secure advantages and achieve victory. To truly excel, focus on advanced tips and consistent practice. Mastering last-hitting minions is crucial. It grants you significantly more gold for purchasing powerful items. Effective vision control, through placing and clearing wards, provides vital map awareness. Additionally, watching professional gameplay can offer invaluable insights into advanced tactics, champion matchups, and strategic decision-making, helping you elevate your own play.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.